After logging in, you can select the course, and then you can see assignments listed on the left hand side or on the top tab. You click on the assignment. You can be reminded of the instructions, then scroll below the instructions and click on work on assignment. Then you can go through the tour if you need a refresher on how to use it. It's your first time using it. So you can just click through the prompts or go to previous prompts. Eventually, you can click on end tour once you're done. Again, you'll be reminded of the instructions and you can close those and you'll see the article. All conversations let you know the conversation is already in progress. You'll see some questions, some comments. You can click on any of those conversations to respond, or you can just highlight text in order to add a comment. Make sure you click on submit when you're done. If you want to create a post or start a conversation, you just highlight some text and start typing. And again, don't forget to click on submit. You can scroll through the article to add more comments or to respond to the comments. You can go to the different conversations. Clicking on those conversations will allow you to respond to someone else's comments.